Christmas! Let's learn how to draw gift box. First, draw a straight line on the top with around 4 to 5 inches, and then draw a diagonal line at the corner and draw a same length straight line with the 4 to 5 inches and join this with another diagonal line. It's kind of a rhombus or something. So at the bottom, make a square or rectangle or whatever you want to do. This will be the front of the box, and then draw the side now with the same equal length of the square we have done. Then try to keep the line straight. If they are wiggly, that's fine. We are kind of doing a cartoonish box, graphic box, so the lines can be wiggly. So for the ribbon, draw 2 straight lines in the middle, almost half inch width, and in the side reduce, don't do half inch, do less than half inch in the sides, because it's on the side, it won't be visible that much. And draw in a diagonal line from the straight lines on the top of the box, top side of the box, and join it with a plus. They are intersecting with the middle line. So here we'll do a bow in the middle. And the bow is basically, it's a triangle shape. Here I have drawn little smaller. You can do more bigger. You can see I am going to do it little more bigger. And this is the bow ends, the ribbon ends. Just draw a half of a W, like a longer W, you can imagine. As you can see here, I am adjusting it. And then I am going to erase the lines, the box and all the lines inside the bow, because the bow is not transparent, they won't be visible. So that's why you have to erase the lines inside. Otherwise, by mistake, we might draw the lines with the marker. So this is how you can do it with simply with pencil. And then now you can adjust the height and width accordingly of the bow and the box. This is the basic shape. Here I am coming with a red Sharpie and then drawing here I am drawing a petal shape at the bottom, so it looks like a bow is folded. Yeah, my paper keeps moving. I will try to get a thicker paper next time. And on the left side I am doing the same thing. In the middle I am doing a curve, and the bow ends I am extending little bit because I wanted to make it look like a bigger bow. Again, here I am not coloring, we can just go do the shading part and then we can color it after we are done. Don't color the gift box before the bow, you have to color it after, so you can see where the bow will go and everything. Now I am coming with a green marker for the gift box. We can use any colors, but I am here using the green marker. This is a metallic Sharpie which is really very nice. Here I am doing all the corners. You can see in the middle I am leaving some gap for the red ribbon. You can see the corners where they are, that's where we are gonna draw the lines. So the ribbon is red, right? So we are going to come back with the red Sharpie and finish the lines. Make sure to keep them as much straight as possible. That's okay if they are a little bendy, curvy and different angles. Yeah. So that's the ribbon there. We are just going to do some shading lines like we did before for the tree and the candy cane. We can do that, so which will make it look beautiful. You can draw this under the Christmas tree, so it will look like as if there are so many gifts under the Christmas tree. lines, and I'm going to do some more lines on the gift box too with a green metallic marker. Those lines will look like some gift wrap, shiny gift wrap happening there. In the end, you can see how it will look after we color the entire picture. The bottom I am doing some shading with the lines again with the Sharpie black gray one. I did first horizontal and then now I am doing diagonal. If we do diagonal, it will give some thickness as if there is lot of shade in it. Then we will go in a different angle. The more the lines, see now if we are doing straight lines, it goes to thicker. So it looks as if there is, the box is on some table. Now you can do the finished picture after I erase the pencil lines. This is how it looks. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.